Having access to optical design tools is a key element for any university optics program, for learning the basics, visualizing concepts, and making successful designs with an eye for accuracy. Synopsys strongly believes in supporting students, universities, and faculty. We are committed to helping prepare the next generation of optical design engineers for career success by having access to our suite of optical design software and photonics design tools.
We would like to introduce the Synopsys University Outreach Program, available to all qualified colleges and universities in North America. The program gives more than just free access to design software for educational purposes or heavily discounted seats for funded research. It also includes access to online resources, paths to gain exposure to industry experts, and design competitions, as well as other opportunities to collaborate with our team.
The University Outreach Program is now expanding to accept more university partnerships, all of which are paired to internal support staff who can assist students and professors alike in gaining access to our resources and training to enhance their learning experience. Qualifying research projects are also considered for assistance within the program.
The University Outreach Program can give you access to the following: student support, professor resources, partnership opportunities, online webinar access, online support for professors in their classes, annual student optical design competition, knowledge database, as well as on-demand training courses. What could the program do for you? We've asked a teacher and a few students to tell us about the experience.
My name is Julie Bentley. I'm a professor at the University of Rochester. I've been teaching optical design and geometrical optics for 25 years now.
How has been your experience working with the Synopsys University Outreach Program?
The outreach program has been extremely useful for us. Our students get free licenses so I can assign them optical design homeworks, and they can take what I teach in class and then practice it, turn their homeworks in. It's very easy program to interact with.
What software is involved in your course?
Primarily in my classes, it's primarily Code 5. I give them the option to do a final design project. So if they choose to do that, some of them choose to do a LightTools project, so they can use LightTools. Other professors, for example, Professor Josh Cobb teaches an Illumination class where he uses LightTools exclusively. So he also has the students get licenses for LightTools.
Now, how has access to software benefited the students in the class?
It allows them to go beyond, a paper homework problem. They can go and actually get design experience, something that previously you probably had to go get a job. So now I can train them early, and when they're done, it's almost like they've spent an apprenticeship learning the design software, learning how to use it, and then they're extremely marketable when they're done and in high demand by our industrial partners.
What value does it add to work with a corporate partner such as Synopsys as a professor?
I don't see any other way to do what I do without that. So I like to teach the students the practical aspect of optical design using the software. Ray tracing by hand's no fun anymore. And so without partnering up with someone that makes the software and teaching them how to use it, I don't know how I could do my class.
Now, how about the student experience of the program? With me are two students currently using our software through the program.
So good morning, my name is Natalie Fullerman. I'm a third-year undergraduate majoring in optical engineering at the University of Rochester, and I have used Synopsys Code 5 software in a lot of my classes, including geometrical optics, an instrumentation lab, and currently in the graduate lens design course.
Hi, my name is Sherry Feng. I am a PhD student at the Institute of Optics at U of Rochester, and I'm in my third year PhD studying, and I'm using Code 5 for my lens design courses, and I'll be using it for my research as well, because my research is focused on microscope and I haven't done it to simulate everything in the Code 5 yet, and they'll be excited in the future.
Can you tell me how using optical design software has helped the both of you?
So for us, it's a really amazing way in classes like geometrical optics and lens design to model our system, to visualize what different elements look like, to test the performance of our system, to be able to simulate different wavelengths, different fields. And in our instrumentation lab course, we also used it to evaluate focal length and our MTF, and to see how the system that we actually used in lab was supposed to perform versus how it actually performed. So very valuable.
Yeah, so in the past I could only use Fourier optics to simulate what I can get from the system. I couldn't know what elements is in my microscope setup. I think Code 5 gave me a great tool for me to visualize my system and then see what can go wrong in the future, so I can set up my microscope.
For any inquiry or to sign up for the Synopsys University Outreach Program, please email optics@synopsys.com or visit synopsys.com/optical-solutions. Stay tuned for other announcements and design competitions.